ma'am. So somebody will say, how do I use a postpartum set? Okay, so let me show you how you use it and how it can help you have a comfortable delivery. Okay, so the postpartum set contains it contains a perineal cooling pad. Okay, so this one, when you're ready to use it and then you break it, you turn it like this and break it. Okay, it will become cool, and then you put it in your perineum. Then you have the cooling pad liner, so you can remove one of this, okay, and then you use it to line. We will put it on our YouTube channel, so you can always go and watch. You put, this is the cooling pad liner, you put it on it, look at it. Okay, then after that you take the spray. We still have this is the perineal foam, healing foam. Okay, so this is the healing foam. And then you can use it. Okay, it's as simple as that. And these will keep you very fresh, it will soothe your pain, and then you wouldn't have to have so much pain. It helps in healing, it helps in keeping the place cool so that you do not have excessive pain. Okay, and it promotes healing. So this is how you use it. And apart from that, we have the perineal bottle. So the perineal bottle, this is how you are going to use it. You are going to fill it with water, okay, and probably a little salt in the water, and then you use it. So as you are, let me open it. This is how it is. I want to show you how it is used. So this is how it is. So you put your water in there, you open this cap, and then you can easily use it. Okay, so it would wash the perineum so well. Then we have the pads. We have this pants, okay, the disposable panties, but you can even wash it. This is how it is. It is about 5 in it. Okay, so this is it. Just imagine. So comfortable. So comfortable. Yes. So this is to make your postpartum period so easy. Yeah. Do not forget, this will make your postpartum period so easy. Yeah, so come and get one for yourself. Have a beautiful day. Bye. And then don't forget to purchase. Please click on the link, call our number, and then get one for yourself. Bye.